Oh, I got a beauty right here. This Sierra right here, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry doors, front living, 2 ACs. But look at this bedroom. King bed, lots of storage, TV, more storage. Wait till you see the rest of this stuff. Washer and dryer, conveniently stowed away. Look at this great. This is an awesome bathroom. Look at this. Woo! Island kitchen. This trailer has 6 slides. You heard me right. 6 slides. But look at this. 2 entry doors, cold AC, 2 sleeper sofas. Look at this. Retractable TV. But look. Oh, the upholstery is flawless. The cabinetry is flawless.